Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Dreams Playa Mujeres Golf and Spa Resort. Now I'm currently in one of their master suite categories. This happens to be an ocean view. It's a fantastic option for several different family configurations, but let me show you what it's all about. As soon as you walk in the door here to the left, you've got a second bathroom. If you've traveled with a family, it's always great to have a second bathroom. My wife appreciates that as well for me. Right here, you've got your dream box. What I love about this is it's a perfect place for them to drop off your room service. So you can order your room service, they'll drop it off there. You don't have to worry about rushing to the door or putting it out when you're done. It's a really nice option here. Now we're continuing on through the foyer into the main living room area. Once we get into the living room, right here to my right, you have a huge couch. This is a full-size couch, but these two cushions actually pull up and it turns into a double bed. I've really felt like the quality of the sofa beds here are some of the best that I've ever had at a hotel or a resort before. You're gonna have your coffee table right here. Right inside, you've got a nice wet bar area. You've got your sink, a little bit of storage, and then down below, you've got a little bit more storage, and you're also gonna have your mini bar. Now that's gonna be fully stocked, and it can be replenished as often as you like throughout your stay. So as we continue along, here is the flat panel smart TV. You've got a little bit of storage underneath, and over here you have your Nespresso maker. They've got the Nespresso capsules right here. I love that because I start my day that way at home, but of course you can utilize that and have it replaced as often as you like. Now continuing on, we are now in the dining room area. So right here, you've got a nice table. I find it perfect for breakfast. Usually we'd go out into the resort for lunch and dinner, but of course you can order from the room service menu for those as well. You also have a fan in here. I think it's just a nice little touch, but what you can see is that beautiful ocean view that is in the name of the room. Now I wanted to point out that this does connect with a junior suite. So there's several different bedding categories. You can actually have this room as a king or two queens and put it together if you have a larger family configuration. But of course, as your travel advisor, we know that inside and out, and we'll take care of all those details for you. So now we're headed into the master bedroom. Now, one of the signatures of all the master bedrooms in this category is that they face out at the ocean and take advantage of that beautiful view. You can see you've got your full king size bed here. You got a nice little bench at the end where you can sit and get ready. On the far side of the bed, you do have a USB charger and a US plug. You also have a little alarm clock. Your dimmer is over there to correspond with the fan. And then over here, you have a US plug and a USB. In addition, this is where you're gonna find the makeup room and do not disturb buttons. I love that they have that right next to the bed. You go to bed, you can just hit that before you go to sleep. Your remote and your phone are also next to your bed. Continuing on, you've got your flat panel TV here. You've got more storage over there, and then you've got this little coffee table, a nice reading chair, but once again, this is all about these incredible views. So just behind the bed, you also have a nice writing desk here facing out at the ocean once again, and a little bit of storage. But if you do need to get a little work done, this is the perfect spot for that. They've got a US plug and a USB charger as well. One great feature that I wanted to point out was the tablet. So this is what you can utilize for the full program, essentially. So you can access the spa, tours, dining options in addition to the menus. And then of course you can order room service right from here. I love that that's an option. Essentially you just order the room service right to the tablet. They're gonna deliver it and you just put it back when you're done. And essentially you just have that extra level of luxury without that handoff having to run to the door. I just really appreciate that. Now we're headed into the master bathroom. It's a really large space. Immediately when you get inside, you've got a nice little chair there, perfect place to sit and get your makeup done. And then right around the corner, you've got the toilet and you have your shower. So it's a nice large rainforest shower head. You also have your shower wand and a nice little bench to sit on or put your foot on if you need to. Now we're in the main part of the bathroom. You can see they've got a large double vanity, something that we always appreciate. You've got your hair dryer over there, extra plugs, magnifying makeup mirror, and then of course, being part of the Preferred Club, you have an expanded Preferred Club amenity pack there. So these are gonna be all your toiletries, and they got extras in there just to take care of in case you forgot anything. In addition, they're also going to have the incense right there. It's a nice little touch, and if you ever stayed at a Dreams, you immediately get that memory right back as soon as you light that up. Below, you're gonna have your towels, and of course, a scale, if you wanna use that on vacation. Now we're continuing into the master closet. So you've got a ton of storage up and down here. I love that they have a steamer in there for you if you want to utilize that. You've got a safe. It's big enough for a small laptop or a tablet. And then on the other side, you're going to have your hanging storage, 2 levels of it, and then you're going to have your robes and your slippers. I do love that they have turn down service here. So they're going to put your slippers out every day right next to your bed before you come back from dinner. So now we're headed out to the large balcony. They've got a great screen right here. I love that. You can turn the fan on inside, get that nice ocean breeze like we have right now. And out on the balcony, the first thing you'll see is this great jacuzzi soaking tub with, of course, the beautiful ocean view. Right here, you've got 2 chairs and a small table. Great place for a coffee in the morning or maybe a cocktail in the evening. You've got 2 large loungers. These are really comfy, extra padded, a table in the middle, and then of course you've got your small sofa bed over there as well. But this is the perfect place to just take in those fantastic views. Now, in addition to the preferred club amenities that I mentioned inside, you're going to get amenities throughout the entire resort. That's going to start with your check-in when they take you directly down to the preferred club lounge, and I think it is the best in all of the AM resorts that you have. You're going to be able to access the concierge throughout your stay from the lounge, and also they have a great bar and some breakfast and lunch options in there as well. Now, throughout the resort, you're going to have the lazy river that's just for families staying in preferred club. You're also going to have those palapas and bally beds down on the beach, which are a great option. And then throughout the entire resort, you're going to have those bally beds as well that you can take advantage of. But essentially, you just get that preferred access, which is really fantastic when traveling with a family. So when you're ready to book this beautiful master suite or any suite at Dreams or Secrets throughout all of Mexico and the Caribbean, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your luxury all-inclusive experts. We know the spaces inside and out, and we know that we can help create the vacation of a lifetime for you and your family at an incredible value.